Hello everyone, today I will discuss about Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica causes amoebic dysentery. Everyone knows that. And also it causes amoebic liver abscess. It was first discovered by Loss, a scientist in the St. Petersburg in Russia from the dysenteric feces. Okay, now let us see what are the forms in which the organism exists. The first form is trophozoite, which has pseudopodia. You can see here it has a nucleus and the cytoplasm. It has the another stage known as pre-cystic stage and another stage called cystic stage. In cystic stage you can see the nucleus is multiplied. From there was single nucleus, it became 2, then 4. In this way quadrinucleate cyst is formed from uninucleate, binucleate and quadrinucleate, and the glycogen mass, there is a mass, you can see glycogen mass that is disappeared in further stages, and chromatidal bar that also disappears. Okay, now let us learn about the life cycle. Okay, so first you see the man is drinking a contaminated water. Can you see? The man is drinking a contaminated water and food which contains cyst, small cyst. And this cyst is going inside his stomach and then small intestine, large intestine. If we zoom it, we can find out this one. 8 daughter amoebulae, which will turn into trophozoite, which will make an ulcer in the colon, which is flask-shaped ulcer, and this trophozoite will form pre-cystic and cystic form, and then it will come out through the feces. You can see. Now let us watch a specimen. This is a specimen of colon which has the ulcer due to amoeba. Next is we will learn about, always remember, the flask-shaped ulcer, and also the ulcer is do not extend beyond the submucosal layer. The ulcer do not extend beyond the submucosal layer. Okay. Next we will go to learn the amoebic hepatitis. So in liver also it causes abscess. You can see this is the specimen showing liver abscess. Okay. And you remember this word, that is thick chocolate brown pus, anchovy sauce pus. Also, and another word is chocolate brown sputum. Anchovy sauce pus is found in the liver abscess, and this one, chocolate brown sputum, can be found in pulmonary amoebiasis. Okay. There are other kinds of amoebiasis which are not so important. Metastatic, which occurs in distant sites like kidney, brain, spleen. Cutaneous, which shows some cutaneous lesion, and genitourinary amoebiasis, which occurs in genitourinary region. Thank you for watching.